Intercom, the purpose is to unearth talents. Sorry, anyway, hi, Xposed GH. The name is Ben Bruce. One subscribe, yeah, subscribe it. Mini shame, man, I was Anyakabi. Send your make an intercom, we unearth talents. It means that you need talent for fraud. And when I share, you know, that Shanty regional one now, me who say a man race, you know, the lady be friend Gaza, wow, Johnny Bruta, or neighbor could be a full era, master competition at tight. That is the goal of what intercompetitions. Because if we are saying you be any the book a bono, obi o ha no war, a football, dear be when me a honor yetimitre. Na say me see here, school phone call a pro students. Sa video ni mean to me kura YouTube boy be some member here. By a year no boy no na ni ba kwa say. School for the bonus how yanko hemra.
You are the victim. What exactly caused this festival?
The tears thrown at me when I was looking for a place to sit, so that I'll use the medicine on my eye. That's what happened.
So you were basically just looking for a place to sit?
Yes, it happened unexpectedly.
So, but tell us, you're saying you didn't do anything to provoke?
No, I didn't do anything. I was just standing there. And they started throwing the stone.
What happened when they started throwing the stones?
I wasn't looking. When I turned, I saw my colleagues running, but I didn't know what was happening. So by the time I realized, the stone came to hit me.
So you're saying you didn't do anything to these particular students?
No, I didn't do anything to them.
What would you want to be done in this particular situation?
I want them to be arrested and anything that the government wants to do to them.
What's your full name?
My name is Apakakobi Fiajibe.
I send your make no boy na no ne yonko for school na school for the ball no obi tubo na ayese sebe ya che konfo ne ebo no. These are the future leaders of Ghana. Na omo buom yonko with intent say ye kunipa no. Obi say Ghana, where have we reached? Share ade we see ye no. E start fi baby. E na ko we baby. E ya wofo meka ho bi. Those signs no ayesua no mekai. Se me kosu na bia awogwom satam na opewo na manware a me dusu a me anti etimisi mu basu mu ho se yenhwe mu su mu ho. And any friend discipline. Sabe oba ye boni obetimi mahwe no ofie ene ye wo bibi a friend no child advocacy and child rights Jimmy samienu a yakabom ti aman kola Jimmy. And now what me nya kola no ka ne papa said don't be silly. O come see o normal ye Jimmy. Sha o man bia ye traditions and ye culture ye rebe fi no ya yera. Na answer kra ne beto aso no. See I the fuel so asem mu. No m ko school no m ka kire papa ne say ye ma 24 hours produce the children or you face the full rigors of the law. And so for him bra.
That is your shirt they are wearing. So if somebody is wearing your shirt, that's why I wanted to start by saying, are you confirming that is your shirt or your uniform? Somebody has worn your uniform to create such a scene or to conduct himself in such a manner. It is giving your school a bad name. So I'm sure you are concerned that that is your school shirt. That's because I wanted you to confirm that is your school shirt. So if that is your school shirt and somebody has worn it and is attacking a fellow human being in such a manner, as a school, you should be concerned to find out who are the people behind that shirt wearing it. Not so, to hand them over to the police. So I am mentioning now that I am giving you 24 hours to produce the people in that shirt who attacked the boy. And 24 hours starts now. Because as law enforcement, when incidents of this nature occur, and we have to investigate, we have to arrest. We have a number of ways in which we can make that arrest. But because this is a school environment, we are not going to adopt one of those means. That is why I'm giving you as school authorities that task to produce them. And if you fail to produce them, the means by which law enforcement employs to fish out suspects, we are going to adopt it. But because this is a school environment, and other innocent students who were not part of the sports or were not part of that assault, because what we are seeing, it is not an act of indiscipline by students. It is a criminal act, which is clearly spelled out in our Criminal Offences Act. You understand? So if we are going to arrest people based on offences that are committed under the Criminal Offences Act, the police will not do what I've asked you to do to produce them. You will adopt means by which other people who are not concerned might be found wanting in it. And I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. So I don't want to storm this school in my name, because if I was going to do it, everybody will be affected. So I'm giving you that opportunity in 24 hours to produce the people in your shirt. Hand them over to the police, or else you will come here. So now I'm going to make my statement.
Way omo gusu nanimu ase. Ya gu headmaster nanimu ase. Omo gu omo busu nanimu ase. Na omo gu Ghana nanimu ase. Ghana nkwala na omo yesei. Hey! Omo yesi yanim Kristo. Enye se abonafo kwankwa omo yesei. Nkwala dachi omo be taking up the reins of Ghana no omo no bi emi say o. Na we no me purpose no ba posa we ma obi ampacha wo ho muntie ni me purpose no say produce the children posa we ma yen jelly omo ye be ma obi 20 years for yen man because was say obi ani was say obi future boni ani bu boni ti na mam ti man brain tumor nani ba kwa sai wani tu ni kra on say na tie na ba ko na ye adwuma. They should serve as deterrents. It will be said anie we no ye mom sentences na we should end obi nim no jimi no friend ho child right no be jano kan kwasasema ya me jano no ye me hye no because a child right kwasiafo no ma yama ya kola nyina sei no aka how dare sa kola ana adwemem no me say onfa bro na fa mbo nipa a school for na mo ya ade o enye se boy no ko wi a o se manye hwe me opposing school ti e bia ya sha omo this is what is happening in Ghana ni ahwe ya yensa ebesifem aha expose GH FM bembro subscribe share me the two man now so I can be manuals.